The sky fell down again tonight, rain tapping like a lullaby. You used to hold me when it poured, now it's just echoes through the door. I lit a fire to warm the air, but it won't melt the silence there. You're miles away, though you're so near, like shouting through a mirror clear. Rain and fire, we're caught in between, fighting the cold with broken dreams. Mountains rise where loved ones lay. I reach for you, but you fade away. So tell me, is this how it ends? With silence